Hello, I'm Zainab. I'm a physician assistant here at Celestial Institute of Plastic Surgery, and Sarah's going to be asking me some questions on Cool Sculpting, and hopefully I'll be able to shed some light.
So why did you guys choose Cool Sculpting for the practice with all of the different devices on the market?
Cool Sculpting has proven to be the most effective, non-invasive, fat-reducing treatment available, and has proven to be so for almost 10 years now. It has gained a lot of popularity among people globally because of its safety and effectiveness. With over 3 or 4 million treatments performed, it has really developed its own reputation and brand recognition because of how good it is.
What should you expect with the treatment? Is there downtime? How long does it take to see results?
There is no downtime associated with the procedure. You can actually come to the office, have your procedure done, and depending on what treatment areas you're getting done, you can be here for as little as 40 minutes to several hours, depending on how many areas you want to treat. It's very comfortable, and immediately after your treatment, you can continue about your normal activities.
Great.
You can expect to see your results after 3 months for your final outcome, but you can start seeing changes after about 1 month.
Very cool. Is there anything else that can happen through the procedure as far as side effects or anything of that nature?
Well, during the procedure itself, it's a little bit cold to begin with, but you go numb in the area being treated. The temperature drops to a specific point that is very tissue temperature specific, so the only thing really being affected is the fat cell that we're targeting. You do experience some numbness during the treatment, which is what contributes to its comfort level, but you also experience some numbness after the treatment, which gradually resolves.
Fantastic. Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Sarah from Celestial Institute of Plastic Surgery. We are treating our patient's entire abdomen today, lower and upper with Cool Sculpting. It's an FDA-approved fat freezing procedure to eliminate stubborn belly fat. We have already treated her right side. We're getting ready to treat her left lower side. Our patient is the perfect candidate. She's at her ideal weight. We're just looking to diffuse a little bit of that above the muscle fat. Okay, we're getting ready to put the applicator on the left lower abdomen. This is what it looks like. It's a vacuum applicator. There are cooling panels on either side. Once the tissue is vacuumed up into it, it's going to cool for 35 minutes, causing 20 to 25% of fat cells in the area to go through a process called apoptosis. So essentially, they're going to freeze, the cells will collapse, and your body will absorb them and excrete them through the lymphatic system. So we're going to start the vacuum. There is a protective gel pad over the skin, protects the skin from the cold. So what she's going to feel right now is the vacuum section. And then we're going to put a pillow around to keep the applicator in place comfortably. And now we're going to start the cooling. So when you first start the cooling, she's going to feel cold for about 3 minutes. After that, that cold's going to move into more of a burning sensation, like if you were to put your hand into snow without gloves on. About 8 minutes after that, she's going to go completely numb. So right now we're doing the 2-minute manual massage on the tissue after removing the applicator. So the tissue is hard, red, raised, and cold. Reason why we're doing this is it is going to push the cells that are on the brink of dying over the edge. So we have a 2-minute window to be able to do this. After the massage, her tissue, it's already gone back to normal coloring on the right side that we treated. The red will go away after probably about 35 minutes. And she's going to be able to go back to her normal activities. The area being treated will remain numb up to a week to a month after the treatment.